Alright, so let's go through this question. In the binomial expansion, right, evaluate the coefficient of x cubed and evaluate the coefficient of the term independent of x. So let me just evaluate first. But of course, before you evaluate the coefficient, right, you need to find a general term. So this is the general term, and of course, for the general term, right, you just put all the x together, then what you get is actually this one. So x to the power of 12 minus 3r equal to x cubed. So of course r equal to 3. So what do they mean by r equal to 3? Means that when you choose 3, x squared bracket, right, minus 3 over x bracket. So the 3 is here. Now of course this is 6 minus 3 is 3. So I will get the x cubed term. So that's what they mean. So for the 6 choose 3, you need to use calculator. So it's about 20. Then this will be x to the power 6. And the second bracket, right, when you cube something, the negative will still be there. So this is 27 over x cubed bracket. So next thing will be 20 times negative 27. So this will give you negative 540 x cubed. So the coefficient of your x cubed will be negative 540. Okay, next will be your term independent of x. Term independent of x just means x to the power of 0. So of course, you use just now the general term, right, the x12 minus 3r equal to 0. And after that, r you will get 4. So meaning that when you 6 choose 4, you will get the constant term. So x squared bracket minus 3 over x bracket. So this will be 4, this will be 2. So when you do the 6 choose 4, so it's about 15 x to the power of 4 and bracket. So 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So this is 81 over x to the power of 4. So you notice that my x to the power of 4, x to the power of 4 can be cancelled away. So what we get is just a constant of 1215. Okay, so this is the first part. Then for the second part, right, part B, hence determine what's the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion of this thing, right? So this is your part B. So they want us to use the previous part to do this expansion. Okay, so if you recognize one thing, this one is from the top part. Now of course this one is just normal cubic expression. So since they say hence, right, so means that I need to use the previous part. Okay, so using the two terms, so for example, right, negative 540 x cubed plus 1215 plus dot dot dot. Because you must put the plus dot dot because these are not the only two terms. So there are about 7 terms for this. So there are 7 terms. Okay, so with this, right, continue on 1 minus 2x cubed and put a bracket. Okay, so how do I get the x cubed term by the expansion? So if you recognize one thing, this one times this one is an x cubed term. Then next will be this one times this one will be a x cubed term. So you just need to do the 2 rainbow. So for example, first rainbow, second rainbow. So these are the 2 terms that will give you the x cubed term. So for the first rainbow wise is equal to negative 540 x cubed. The second term is 1215 times negative 2x cubed. So it's about negative 2430 x cubed. Then just equate to, so negative 540 minus 2430. So it's roughly negative 2970 x cubed. So the coefficient of the x cubed term in the expansion will be this. So I hope this clears up the question.